Good morning. Welcome in today's lesson. We are diving into the exciting world of career opportunities for entrepreneurship, where passion meets possibilities. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, being your own boss, turning your ideas into real world impact? Whether you are into technology, fashion, food, or social causes, entrepreneurship opens up endless career opportunities in every industry. Again, it offers diverse career paths. Also, it can leverage your skills in various fields. So here's the breakdown of career opportunities within the realm of entrepreneurship. Let's start with starting your own business. The first thing I have here is new venture creation. Of course, this is the most direct path involving developing and launching a new business idea. You can also try franchising. It's about running a franchise. It allows entrepreneurs to leverage an established brand and business model. And of course, we have here freelancing or consulting. It offers specialized services, for example, for like consulting, coaching, or freelance work. It allows entrepreneurs to utilize their expertise. So the first option is starting your own business. So if you want to pursue entrepreneurship, then first thing or the first option or career option is starting your own business. Number two, you can also work within established businesses. For example, you can be or hold a position with regards to management roles, no? Positions like CEO, project manager, operations manager, product manager, and of course, marketing manager are crucial in any organization and can be a stepping stone to launching your own venture or of course taking on more senior roles. Next, specialized role. So, roles like sales manager, business analyst, financial analyst, or even roles in research and development can benefit from an entrepreneurial mindset and skill set. And of course, the last one, the business development. It identify and pursue new growth opportunities for a company is the key entrepreneurial skill. So aside from that, you can try other entrepreneurial career, like for example, teaching or training, the sharing your knowledge and skills with others through teaching or training in another is another avenue. And of course, you can do recruiting. No, finding and attracting talent to a company, it requires an understanding of business needs and, of course, strong communication skills. And you can also try this business reporting. The journalists covering business and entrepreneurship can leverage their understanding of the field to provide insightful reporting. So, what makes entrepreneurship a valuable or appealing career option? Of course, you can have this what you call control over your work and life is another major reason why people choose entrepreneurship. Also, you can set your own work hours, which provides more control over your work-life balance. You can also get the ability to, delegate tasks according to the skill set and interest areas of your subordinates. Also, entrepreneurship is not about making money and not following your passion. You can do both. No, it's about making money and following your passion. You can also achieve both these goals by starting your own business and following in the footsteps of people like Bill Gates, Richard Branson, of course, Oprah, who have achieved success in their respective fields by pursuing what they love. So that's all for today. Maraming salamat. Thank you for listening and watching. So I hope you learned something for today's video lesson. Goodbye.